Bulunak, and a very good evening to all of you. I'm so happy to see all of you turned out in big numbers for this occasion. To the Director of Mega Supermarkets, Mr. Irish Khan, Mr. Bobby Khan, also, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very, very good evening to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here this evening to open the Mega Supermarket. But you should all know this, it's 100% Fijian-owned supermarket. And I recall a little while ago, I think it was on my birthday, Bobby, yes, this actual complex was opened by the Honorable Ayased Kaim, and I think you all know him very well. And today, about 7 months later, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to celebrate another achievement of Mr. Irish Khan, who is also a very big businessman in Nandi. Ladies and gentlemen, I've known Irish for a very long time, so he's actually a good friend of mine. And I was actually quite happy to see him expanding his business out of Nandi and coming to Singatoka to serve all of you. It's actually not a big occasion for speeches, but I want to also wish everybody here a very happy Independence Day tomorrow. I hope you can celebrate. I'm sure there's something going on in Singatoka for tomorrow's day. On behalf of the Fijian government, I wish you all well. God bless you all. And to Irish, I wish you well in your new venture, and you and your family. Thank you very much also, ladies and gentlemen, for turning out in big numbers to witness this opening. Thank you very much. Vinavalevu. God bless. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause, please?